Etigetie mieri 8 githurano kinene gitafanio ngwataniro ya CORD riwe rauga ndikanyita itemi githurano-ini kiu akorwo mehaririria ma githurano kiu ni mekuhingicwo.
There will be no election unless the entire legal regime, including the use of technology in an integrated electronic electoral system, is fully implemented and the conduct of free and fair elections is guaranteed.
CORD rauga ne nyitete riboti ati anene amwe thirikari-ini makoretwo magicemania na maabitha amwe a kamiti ya ithurano IEBC niguo gubanga uria utongoria wa Jubilee ukahotana githurano-ini giukite.
We are aware that the Secretariat and some of the retired commissioners have been holding informal meetings with the Deputy President and the Cabinet Secretary responsible for ICT to block the full and comprehensive implementation of the Election Laws Amendment Act of 2016.
Oho CORD yugite thirikari ni iraingirira mubango wa gucagura makamishna eru a IEBC hamwe na kugeria gucenjia watho wa ithurano itekurumirira mutaratara,
exerting inappropriate influence on the nomination of the new commissioners.
Kwa hivyo hatutakubali hata kidogo, hata kamwe.
CORD ninge yugite IEBC na mubango wa gucerithiria mehaririria niguo gucenjia muthenya wa githurano kinene undu uria maugite matigwitikira.
Nobody should dream of postponing the next general elections to be held on the 8th of August 2017.
Kumana na uguo CORD riwirendekithia kamiti ya IEBC itige mibango yothe ya mehaririria ma githurano kinene o nginyariria makamishna eru a IEBC magacagurwo. Ninge makamishna a IEBC aria maratigire wira ica ikuhi matige gwikuruhania na mehaririria ma githurano kinene na mehere wabici-ini kaimana. CORD ninge irendekithia maabitha othe a Secretariat ya IEBC mathuthurio na aria megukorwo na mahitia o mothe matigithio wira. Ninge thirikari itige kuhingica mehaririria ma githurano kinene na muthenya wa githurano kinene ndugacenjio. No riria andikia mohoro mageririe gukinyira kuria CORD rutite maundu maria irakuruhania thirikari na IEBC namo, CORD yugire ati thirikari niyo iri na macokio.
I don't think we are here to give evidence, but we have given an indication that Jubilee is trying to interfere. It is up to them now to respond. We have raised the issue because we know they are trying to do that. So it is up to them now to respond on the issues we have raised.
Ona CORD igitetirithagia ati thirikari ya Jubilee ni irahingica mehaririria ma githurano kinene giukite. CORD yugite muthenya wa githurano kiu ndwagirire gucenjio, no ona kuri uguo yugite no nginya mendekithia mayo mahingio ati niguo gutigirira githurano kinene giukite gigatabanio na njira ya ma na kihoto. Maina wa Wairegi ngiribotera Inooro TV, Nairobi.